Hello my friends, welcome back to Anfisio Proskey. Today in this video we're going to find out how we can update our iPhone X or 11 to iOS 26. Is it possible? Let me show you. First, when I check off setting for software updates, you can see I got iOS 26.6 beta just here. I can update my iPhone 11. So how you can get this update? It's very easy. What you can do, open the app store of your iPhone device, then you can type here on search developer Apple developer. Once you got the application installed and open it, and then you're gonna click on continue, enable notification allow, and then you have to go on accounts, then you have to log in with your iCloud account, then click on continue, I agree, then you're gonna exit from this application in your iPhone device because it's ready. Now what you're gonna do, open your browser, then you're gonna type here betaapple.com like this. So once you got the result, I'm in the page. You have to sign into your iCloud account again here on this page. So let's go ahead to sign up, and once we're done, we just scroll down. What we got here, we just go click on this link or button, what we got here, or text, and then go open the beta update. So you can see this is all beta updates we can do just here on your iPhone device. So this is all about how to get iOS 26 update just here on your iPhone X or 11. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.